Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good late night to all of you, wherever it may be. It is Angelic Yuki once again, giving you guys the third update to my mechanic build, second mechanic build for Project Innocence today. I do apologize for being late on it because I've been getting ready for finals a few weeks ago, and I wanted to finish it by last week, but the problem was that finals were in the way, and I did not want to lose focus on the final. So that's why I couldn't give it to you guys last week, and I had to fix some stuff on it. I'm gonna tell you now, not everything you're gonna see here is going to be in the mechanic build. So you're gonna have to see what I have for you guys. So what I have for you guys today, I'm going to give you guys a little look into what I've decided to add. Please pay attention to level 10 right there. That is actually incorrect. That should have been level 1, but let's just say that level 10 is good enough. So let's take a look at what I decided to add and what I decided to subtract here. So if we go into this shop right here, what I decided to do is you can actually buy upgrades for weapons for you guys. Keep in mind that these prices right now are not going to be official yet, because I want to make sure I can make a challenge for you guys. Okay, give me just one quick moment. Alright, so I'm gonna make it a challenge for you guys to get resources for your weapons and armor so you can upgrade them. So these prices are going to be up or down. Also, you're going to see a scroll here. This scroll is a two times the experience scroll, where it's just as you can see. If you beat the enemies in 40 ATB seconds, you can earn 2 times the experience points for that battle. If there's carryover time after battle, that carryover time will count toward 2 times the experience points. But once time is up, you're going back to normal. Okay? That's basically simple as that. So anything you see here can change at any time during the development of the build here. Ignore the red bar is 5%. I'm going to change that though. It's not much, I'm telling you guys that. The red orb is 5 plus 5. Okay, so make sure you guys check that out. Over here to your right side of Kindness Village, on the downtown area, trust me, I'm going to change this up a bit later. You're going to find this right here. Now, technically speaking, there's 2 ways to save the game in this game: churches and statues. Alright, so that's a church right there. We're gonna do a statue later on. It's not ready yet though. So if we go inside the cave, you're going to notice that there's going to be an area here. This area right here. It's not accessible yet, but I will tell you it has something to do with a boss battle for the end of the build here, when I'm ready for it. Now keep in mind, just because you beat the mechanic build does not mean you beat the game. That's not the goal here. The goal of the mechanic build is to give you guys an idea of what to expect for the actual game of Project Innocence. So keep that in mind. Everything is still a build-up into an actual game here. So as you can see, you can actually accept the quest here as well here. Right here, you're going to accept the quest from this young lady. So now, what is new here in this build? First off, let's go into the item shop actually to just get started. Remember, this guy is the banker. This guy was not usable before. So we talked to this guy. We can actually do two things with this bank here. Star tokens and angel token. Angel token, of course, is the currency in this game. We're going to do this in just a moment, but let me explain star token. On the top of your screen, you're going to see a star icon with a number 0. Those are for your magic moves here. Magic moves here. Your magic moves here. So you'll be able to use stars to use magic. And actually, I'm gonna show you that in battle in just a moment as well. Angel tokens, very very simple. That's your currency. So if you decide to withdraw, you're gonna get a 1,000 angel token bonus right away for your account here in your bank. Then you can actually withdraw up to 1,000. And as you can see, 600, we should only have 400 in bank here. Yeah, I'm gonna go keep it 0 there. This one is going to be for something else that I cannot explain just yet. Alright? So you're gonna have to see what I'm gonna be doing for this girl right here. This wonderful girl right there. So for 600 angel tokens, you can purchase these items here. Now these are not new. There will be a new item though later on. Alright? Now, what else is new though? If we go to Herald here, you're going to see something new here. The barrier play move here. Now keep in mind, any things you see here also contain skill names. The barrier play will give you guys a barrier for to absorb damage. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment as well. You cannot use it yet, however. Alright? Because it's not in battle. Let's actually go into battle right now, guys. So as you can see, you have 0 stars here. I don't have any stars yet. However, I'm gonna get some stars right now. You cannot use this. I mean, you cannot see this when you play the game. This is thanks to some random dude. That's his name on YouTube. Oh yeah. So we're gonna have some magic stars here. Oh, I'm using the wrong one. There you go. The max right now is 500. But it's not gonna show up in battle because I got it late. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna try to do, hopefully. There we go. Now it should be loaded. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So as you can see on the bottom right of your screen, right above the status bar of all the characters here, you're gonna see that you have 500 stars to play with. Now there might and might not be another gauge there. We'll see what I'm gonna do with the story mechanic. So as you can see, your stars are here now. So I can use a magic surge here for anybody here. And let's give it to Marshall right there. We're gonna have a barrier play for any character. I select you. And then we're gonna have a fire charge for you as well. And then we're gonna attack with you. Then with you, I'm gonna try to end this right away. Not gonna happen, but so right now, if we take a look at the status bar area, right up to this turn, that is. If we press X button, go to status, you're gonna see that you can now select, see what status ailments they have in play here. So right now, fire charge is in play for the next 14 seconds. So attacks are up 10% for fire moves for 20 ATB seconds. Alright, excuse me. There will be other things I'm going to include, including enhancements and stuff for you guys. And I'm working on a new HUD for you guys. Whatever you see right now is still in progress. Alright, so there is not going to be a long update video for today, unfortunately. However, I do want to give you a preview of a story mechanic. Right now, it's going to be called Star Orbs and Star Shards. Okay? Now, right now, don't dwell on it too much because I'm still going to work on that part. There will be a fourth update video soon as well. So make sure you guys look out for that. What I'm thinking of with this one, Star Orbs and Star Shards, is it's going to, number one, enhance some moves for you. And number two, you are going to be required to have Star Orbs to go through different areas. So it's going to be considered a story mechanic. And you're going to need a few of them in order to go to the final boss of the game. That's all I'm going to say about that for now. You're going to be able to power up some moves in this game as well. But I'm not going to show you how to do it yet because I'm still going to implement that for the next update video for you guys. Now, if you want, here's what I'm going to offer. I'm going to add, let's see. I'm still going to add the final quest for this mechanic build. I can't give it to you yet, but I will tell you need to complete the first two quests in the mechanic build in order to access the last one. Okay, just to give you guys a little taste of the game. Also, once I start the main game build, any tile sets that you see right now, I'm going to change them. I already found ones that I want to use. So, if you guys want new tile sets, I'm going to find them for you guys. I will, however, tell you that this iron body skill is for you guys to look at, to play with. So as you can see, everybody gets this move here. What it does, it's defense up by 15% for the next 30 ATB seconds. I will tell you now, there is going to be a star skill that I'm going to combine several of these, like a combo. Okay? I'm going to have a combo for you guys. Again, these are just ideas. These are just like anything can happen ideas. However, before I end this video, I do want to give you guys a little taste, a little preview of something I have been working on for a while. So I do need to quit the game, unfortunately. I also need to remove Yanfly's core engine plugin for this. Unfortunately, it's not compatible with what I'm working with. Unfortunately, it is a menu alternate plugin. Unfortunately, though, it won't work with Yanfly. However, that's if I don't add gauges, which I might for this little plugin I'm working on. So let's take a look at what happens to the menu when we relaunch the game here. Alright, I'm gonna put this up here so that you guys can see that, and here we go. So as you can see, anybody remember where this game is from? What this menu looks like? It doesn't have gauges, I'll tell you now. It looks like Final Fantasy IX, ladies and gentlemen. Except for one big difference. The main menu is on your left side in this plugin right now. So I'm still going to fix this when I have the chance to. Now, if you do not mind, I might switch it to the right side. We'll see. We'll see what happens with everything here. What the menu is in Final Fantasy IX, the right side of your screen right now, the status area is actually on the left side, and it covers the rest of the screen. The main menu where everything else is on the right side, and the golden stuff is also on the right side. All right. I might do something for you guys for the golden stuff later. But it is as basic as I can make it. Now, here's what I'm also adding to this plugin of mine. If you guys want to plug in, you're gonna have to wait a little bit because I'm still developing as it is. What I'm thinking of doing is adding the gauges for HP and MP into where they are, where the numbers are. I'm just gonna have to layer it, put the numbers on top, rather than the gauges, okay? Now remember, the gauges are optional. I'm actually going to let you turn them off or on if you like. Now keep in mind that in Final Fantasy IX, there are no gauges. When it comes to HP and MP, it's just number. It says the number of the HP and MP. I'm going to give you the option to add the gauges in if you like. That is optional, but that is not to be used yet. If you guys like this plugin as it is, I can give it to you as soon as possible, but you're gonna have to wait until I actually add it in to the website for game development, okay? So right now, that is all I have done for you guys for now. The next time I'm going to give you guys a mechanic build update is going to be in June or July, but you're going to have to wait a little bit longer for this one because I'm actually going out of state and, to be honest, out of country for vacation this summer. I'm actually headed to the Philippines, Japan, and back to the Philippines and back here. So you're going to have to wait a little longer for the fourth mechanic build. However, I might have something for you before then. So we'll see. I might even show you guys the plugin, okay? I will have plugins that allow you to use Yanfly's, Mr. Yanfly's core engine. That is not out of the question. So I hope you guys stick around for that, okay? So until then, guys, that is it for you guys for today. The next update video sometime next month before my vacation out of country, and then maybe the first official mechanic build with different tile sets. We'll see. Okay, that's all for now. We'll see you guys next time.